Hello guys, today we're going to talk about, can you be an entrepreneur with no money? This is definitely a very interesting subject, and I get asked this a lot. I get a lot of young entrepreneurs coming to me that have a zero budget but want to do something. Let me ask you this, can you win the lottery without buying a ticket? You know, it's going to be near impossible. Yes, you can have an entrepreneurial mindset. You can read books, you can create goals, you can envision where you want to be in your life in the future. But unfortunately, you're not going to be able to do much without a budget to do it. Even if it's as simple as opening up a lemonade stand, you're going to need to go buy the lemonade, you're going to need to buy cups, you're going to need to put up a table, you're going to need to put up a sign, you're going to need to advertise. Every investment, every idea has its own costs that come with it. And some of those costs are really small. Some of those costs are really large. You know, even as simple as creating a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, an Instagram, you're going to have to advertise. You're going to have to, you know, try to spend minimal amounts of money to grow it. Now, that being said, it does not mean that you need $1 million to open up a business. I have taught many friends with a $500 or $2,000-$3,000 budget how to make money. Again, if you go back to our video about expectations versus reality, you will be able to see what you should expect. And if your expectations are realistic for your investment, you can make money. You can be an entrepreneur with a very minimal investment. That being said, minimal investment, you're going to get minimal return. But you can grow that slowly, and you can take that return and replace it into your business or into your idea, and grow that over time to where you're doing substantially larger numbers and larger profits than where you initially started. Great ideas for new entrepreneurs that don't have a huge budget. I would suggest investing in the stock market. You do need some minimal knowledge, but if you have an entrepreneurial spirit and you have time on your hands, then you have time to do research. You have time to look into upcoming events that companies might have, and you know, you can take a risk on some of these companies coming out with bigger news and grow your portfolio. The other great idea is everybody can build a retail store these days for themselves using sites like eBay. eBay has saved me so many times. I have probably done over $7 million in sales on eBay, and it's something that whenever things go bad in my life, I'm able to turn to and use as a tool to survive and make money and rebuild. eBay is a great tool. I'm a big fan of the website, and it really is as easy as going to a thrift store, buying, you know, $100 worth of merchandise and listing it online. In fact, and I don't want this video to go on too much longer, but I will say that 2 months ago, I took a friend of mine to the liquidation thrift store of Goodwill, and that's where the trash of Goodwill ends up that they cannot even sell inside of their own stores. And I wanted to prove to him that my theory was true. We spent $55, went home, listed everything. Within 7 days, that $55 brought back about $350 in sales, and that was on the garbage that the store had. This wasn't even going to a regular thrift location and searching for premium merchandise. There's lots of good information out there. There's lots of good information on my videos. Keep on watching, keep following. Check out our Instagram, ARTT Online, Art Online, Anthony Ryan Transforms Tomorrow. Keep watching our channel, and I'm going to transform how you see tomorrow.